These social media influencers have millions of followers and charge over 10,000 per post on Instagram, but the shocking part is that they aren't real. They're all AI generated and are signing deals with brands, getting sponsorships and earning big money. But you might be thinking, can I do this? And the answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own AI influencer completely for free. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. So, first of all, we need a nice face for our Instagram model. For this, I'm going to use TENSOR, which is completely free, and we have several models to generate the images. But I'm going to use the juggernaut, Aftermath, which is the most realistic model of them all. Now, just run this model and you'll have an interface like this. And on the left side, we can see that we have options to enter our prompts. We also have the negative prompt. So I entered this long negative prompt. You can even use shorter prompts. It all depends on you. And we have the image-to-image option, but the most important option we're looking for is the seed number. So, the seed value is the most important thing here. Now enter any random number that you can easily remember. So, let's say I'm going to type 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go to the prompt section. So, I'm going to give a prompt. A beautiful woman with a big smile on her face, wavy black hair, ultra realistic. And now it's generating. So this is going to take just a few seconds to generate the images. So these are some images that I generated, but I would say that they're not very good. So let's say that if you're not happy with the results, just change the seed values and your prompt and regenerate again. And now, look at the results. These are some photorealistic images, even the texture of the skin, and she looks like a real person. So I'm happy with this model. Now, let's say I want variation. In the images, like different clothes, different environments, different places, and different poses. So all I have to do is just change the prompt a little bit. So let's say I want her to wear a hat and glasses. So I'm just going to add to the prompt wearing a hat and glasses and click generate. And now the same lady is wearing glasses and a hat, but we've also lost some details on her face like freckles. But don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how you can fix this later in the video. Now let's talk about how we can change the environment. Let's say I want her to be sitting in a cafe. So I'm just gonna type sitting in a cafe. And you can also change the aspect ratio of the image to get different images. So let's see what it generates. Okay, so these are the results. And now she is sitting in the cafe. You can see that the face is matching. And the important thing is that our model HOD is the same. But in some cases, you will get a different model like this one here. But don't worry about that. We can also fix this problem. Now, let's say you want her to pose differently. So let's say I want her to pose like this lady. So I'm going to go to our image-to-image option and upload this reference image. And then make sure to select the aspect ratio according to your input image. So our input image is in a portrait aspect ratio. So I'm going to select the portrait style, and without changing any values, I'm just going to click generate. So these are the output results, and she is posing exactly like her. And you can try this with different camera angles, different poses, different environments. It all depends on you. So, as I promised, I'm going to show you how to combine facial features. To do this, open your Discord and click on that plus icon to create a new server. Now, create a new server and name it whatever you want. And your new server will be created. Now just put this link in your search bar. I'm also going to leave the link in the description below. And now select the server we just created. So I'm going to click on that server and click authorize. And you will be redirected to your Discord account. Now, just type a \am and select save ID. Now just upload the face image of your AI influencer that we finished earlier in the video. And just name it in a way that you can easily remember. So I'm going to name it something like IA and press enter. And the name of your ID will be saved again. Type a / and select change ID. Now, just upload the image that you want to combine the face with and type the name of the ID we just created. And then press enter. And now you can see that her face is 100% matching with our AI generated model. And now you just need to create your Instagram account, generate some images, and start uploading today. So that's how you can generate your own AI Instagram model.